So as soon as I do one thing, guys, something bad comes up. I installed a mod, and just when you want to enjoy it, it's a domino effect. Something else happened. Now the car's down. I had it down at the shop maybe about 3 weeks ago, got it fixed. Now we have another problem with it. I was driving home a while ago, and all of a sudden I got the wrench light on the dashboard, and it means something has to do with the throttle body. So right now, currently, what I'm doing is I went ahead and just removed the cold air intake right here and trying to clean that throttle body. Hopefully that fixes the issue. I already went ahead and installed the intake, bolted everything back up. We did clean the throttle body. It was a little dirty. I mean, check this out. This was what was inside that throttle body. So I went ahead and cleaned it. Hopefully that actually helps out. That's what Google said, that I had a dirty throttle body, and it's not malfunctioning. I just upgraded this about 2 years ago. This is the BBK one. It's not the stock one. I actually got the wrench light about a couple of years ago. That's why I went ahead and installed this one, because the other one was already faulty. I had to go ahead and buy a new one. I was like, do I buy a stock one or do I just upgrade? So I went ahead and upgraded to the BBK one. But now let's just see if that wrench light comes back on. So what was happening, guys, I couldn't, like, when I would floor it, I couldn't accelerate like at all. Like, it was just slowly going up. Let's see. Nope, yeah, the wrench light's still there. Check it out. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so I have all these codes popping up right now. 3 codes. One of them is gonna be because of the headers. I know that for sure. Let's check out the first one. Sensor circuit, low voltage bank. Okay, I need to check what that is. 57. System leak detected. Okay, I have a small leak. I don't know that one. Throttle pedal position sensor switch E circuit. Actually, then it might be the pedal commander. Shoot. All right, let me go ahead and check that out. I went ahead and took off the commander now. Let's see. Well, there it is. That's really, really weird. It was supposed to not give me any issues at all. I know I told you guys I highly recommend it. I mean, the fun was there, the acceleration was there. For now, I'm gonna have to figure it out. What was the issue? What went wrong? Maybe I have to contact them. I did everything like I was supposed to, but yeah, at least that's fixed and I can drive normally, I guess now. Currently took out the car. It's been running pretty well. Not gonna lie, after I moved the pedal commander, I don't know what reason it's giving me that error code. So we're gonna have to check up more on that. I don't know, maybe it's the tune that's getting in the way or something like that. But we're looking good here with the homeboy, Luis. We're about to head out, do some car shenanigans, some car things, have some fun. It's cruise night, so let's see what the night has in store. A little fun, safe fun, safe fun, right? Safe fun. But yeah, just right now gassing up, just getting ready for the night. I didn't see the cone.
Me either, bro. I was trying to follow you.
That was good.
Hey, was somebody honking at someone?
I don't know, nigga, but I almost hit the damn cone when we were merging.
Yeah, like he was going and going, then all you see was a cone.
It starts merging, and then the cones are like, oh, and then I barely missed it, like barely missed it.
How you doing? Hello, YouTube. We out here
with that upgrade.
Yes, sir. Got that upgrade.
Tell us a little bit about the upgrade.
This is finally a Anderson Composites Hellcat hood. carbon fiber.
It's fake, right? eBay.
This is not fake. This cost me a pretty penny. But hey, Merry Christmas to me, right? That's what I'm talking about. Give you a little shine. Give you a little shine.
Let's see.
See a little shine right there. Just like my paint.
Are those turbos? No.
That's a big ass turbo right there.
Looks good, dude. It looks badass. I like it. Is that detail on the go?
No, it's good tires.
Is that spray paint?
No. Oh man, coffee andas recio, I missed you, homie.
You stepped in my frame, bro.
Call you.
You're bad.
There you go. Hey, chill. Hey, somebody give that nigga a suit today. He's wilding.
Hey, why is one thigh bigger than the other?
Hey, Jacob, you should do that, but with the
Got the whole squad, Luis?
Yes, sir.
It's a pretty good lineup, I might say.
We're still missing a couple people out here, but because they're working.
Badass,
Like I
man.
said, we're downsizing a bit, but I mean, at the end of the day, it's all about quality versus quantity.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Trying to stand out.
They want a picture too.
Hey, tell him we can put his license.
Hey man, he's the leader, guy.
Real quick.
Go do what you gotta do, Chris.
Oh, shoot. Okay, pretty boy.
Hey, sir.
You guys need to go. Get out. Let's go.
Can we get a picture with the truck?
Go to Denny's.
Never a car hangout, guys, unless the cops are here. Check it out. We're fine, but they kicked us out.
Chase.
What?
They started
They
chase.
started chase. No thanks.
We're out here.
We're out here. We got kicked out by the cops.
We're at Denny's now.
Next hangout spot, we got good lighting. Honestly, the cop was a little prick. Like he got off road, like telling us stuff like get out. Yeah.
Hey, did you all to leave? Or I'm gonna start giving you tickets. Okay.
Authority, man.
I told him little dick energy.
Little ticket. I don't know. It was authority. He had a power trip right there, so he kicked us off and everything, whatever.
My bad, nigga. Didn't know you got a promotion and shit. now you can wear the vest. Fuck, my bad.
How many tickets do you need? You're trying to close your ear or what?
Yeah, he got off road like that, right? He was like,
Yes, bro. He adjusted his fucking 50
tickets on
okay.
the vest.
he saw the jackpot. He's like, there you go, like 10 tickets for you right there.
Like from 21 Jump Street. He got his first speeding. It's because he read the Miranda White, right?
I went over there. Wait.
What do you got? What do you got? What do you got?
Steak tips and eggs.
What?
Steak tips and eggs.
Say she, surgeon.
What's up? Queso.
Just keep it on. I just zoomed into his face. Alright guys, so the last clip you guys saw, it was me and Eddie having some fun. We were messing around on the highway. He had asked me earlier that he wanted to do some pulls. It's his, what is it, a 3-valve? His new Edge, it's a V8, it's a 4.6. He wanted to go with me against my 3.7, right? So we were going toe-to-toe there. I wasn't fully going wide open throttle. It was like maybe 85–90% there. But yeah, it was me and him, and all of a sudden you guys see the Charger, which is Luis, pull up. So it was a 3-way on the highway. You just see the camera go down, right? So what happened was that we saw lights, cops was coming right after us, and we got scared crapless. Eddie kept going straight because he lives further down the road, and then me and Luis right away, we got off on the second exit, and for some reason, we saw the cop. He was chasing us on the side of the highway, And then I don't know if traffic got into him or he was waiting for us to get down on the first exit, but we were actually able to evade it, or I don't know, we got off on the second exit and we were just scared crapless. I called him right after and he's like, are you okay? And I'm like, yeah, are you okay? Anything around you? No, we just drove home. And we were just scared crapless. You know, we were just like trying to see everywhere and looking everywhere, trying to get home quick, because we really don't want to, you know, get pulled over for that, because it's some bad time, right? It's some bad time, and we don't want to risk doing that, losing your license and stuff like that. So don't do this, guys. I don't condone racing. We're just having some fun. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. I know it started off a little rocky because we were trying to fix the car, but after that pull, it looks like the car's running well. It doesn't have the pedal commander. I wish it would have had it on there. I think it would have made it the race a little bit more fun. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. We had some fun today, hung out with the guys, saw Texas Speed. We went took some pictures. We went to eat afterwards and had some little fun races right there. But I hope you guys did enjoy the video, and we'll definitely catch you guys on the next one. God bless.